Hello everyone, welcome to this week's KO model news. Due to a busy work week, I haven't been able to post many review videos, and I apologize for that. Also, if all goes well, I'll be flying back to the Philippines next week and will resume updates as soon as possible. Okay, let's take a look at this week's new releases. First up is Hema Models 51 GK Sazabi, who surprisingly updated with a set of images late at night. Seriously, what company releases updates in the middle of the night? The news showcases the overall armor deployment and the weapon preparation platform, indicating an upcoming release. Previously announced, it will be priced at $24, with first print bonuses including a mechanical transparent armor plate. Meanwhile, Daji is offering the HG Requiem for Vengeance Zaku 2 F-Type Solari Custom, currently priced at $3.50. I already bought the original Bandai version. I won't be buying the KO version for review. Last week, we introduced the 1/100 scale Camphor Amazing Kai from Zero Boundary Model Toys, and this week, the actual product has been revealed. The overall design and the accessories offer pretty good gameplay. With the product shown, the manufacturer probably won't back down. Pre-orders are now open for $53. Another new manufacturer making enlarged RG figures, Yushinfang, has released an enlarged RG Sazabi, currently in the prototyping stage. The exquisite internal structure combined with its superb proportions is undeniably alluring. However, pricing and release date information are not yet available. In addition, Dabin has been frequently re-released recently, including the mega-size green Zaku priced at $19, and the V2 Gundam AB Equipment Victory Edition with serial number 6655. Meanwhile, the 8802 MB Strike Freedom Gundam model, complete with a metal frame assembly, is priced at $25. The price is decent, but the quality requires considerable skill from the assembler. In addition, the Strike Gundam series, starting with the number 88, has also been reissued with sword and cannon versions, lightning-equipped versions, and Mebius versions, all featuring metal frames, priced at $39 per unit. Dabin's move is indeed a bit of a ripoff. The pricing is really a bit too expensive, I'm not kidding. There's been no new information about the HG Murasame Kai enlarged version from Midsummer Models, while the new manufacturer's enlarged version of the farming model is already officially released at $6.20. I even wondered if these two manufacturers were the same company. Following the release of the 1/100 scale GM Sniper, JM Models has officially launched a repainted restored black version of the GM Sniper, priced at $11. Next up was some bed news. Super Studios' MG Gundam 2.0 is currently indefinitely delayed due to rising raw material prices caused by the Middle East war. To be honest, it's a real shame. I really wanted to experience it sooner. In addition, the manufacturer of Star's RG colored transparent Sazabi and electroplated versions has stopped production, citing rising raw material prices as the reason. It seems that related industries are facing difficulties to varying degrees. I also consulted with many manufacturers about whether they would be affected, and they all indicated that the price increase was indeed very significant. They are currently sticking to their previous pricing, and the manufacturers are bearing the cost of the price increase themselves. Meanwhile, Star's new GUF and our 35 GUF are still in the trial molding stage. To be honest, I'm very anxious, but there's really nothing I can do. Then there's Gao Gao bringing us the KO version of the RG Akatsuki Gundam, which is said to be released in the next couple of days. You guessed it, it's the Akatsuki from Bandai with the rickets. The currently announced price is $11, and the manufacturer claims to have solved the rickets issue. Given Gao Gao's past track record, they'd better get the plating done better to justify the $11 price tag. The previously released KO version of Jichu X from an unknown manufacturer has indeed been updated with an awakened form, priced at $4.20. That price is truly shocking. Given the previous poor quality, I suggest everyone just buy the original Bandai version. In addition, the HG Gelgoog Menace from the new manufacturer Thor model has also been officially released, and a review video will be released soon. Meanwhile, MH Models also introduce an updated version of the MGEX Full Armor Unicorn Gundam, with blue, green, red, and white PSY frame versions available, priced separately at $25. Another piece of good news. Bandai's PGU New Gundam is experiencing sluggish sales in the Chinese market, mainly due to its exorbitant price. Some retailers have already started lowering the price, from $650 to $420. Those who can afford it should consider buying it now. I'm devastated that I bought it at the original price. Even with shipping, it's cheaper than in the Philippines after the price drop. Hopefully, the price in the Philippines will also decrease somewhat. Okay, that concludes this week's video. It seems there were quite a few new products, but only a handful truly interested me. Finally, here's an AI-generated live-action Gundam video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and share. See you next week.
生死之间的界限，希望与绝望纠缠，一次次拥抱温暖，却难敌命运的荒诞。太爱理解彼此的难，大声呐喊冲破黑暗，就算世界崩塌离散，爱也不会消散。
米诺，听说新的吉姆和大批配件已经到了，马上就要开始选拔了。
哦，那太好了，那祝你驾驶选拔成功，伙计。
你不参加吗？米诺，快开火！
你就是米诺对吧？我对你很感兴趣，要不要考虑进我的 MS 小队？
你是第2进攻队的比尔森，
就是那个神勇的进攻部队队长比尔森。
什么风吹你来？
警报！敌人来袭！所有战斗人员立即进入1级战斗状态。
我会再来找你的。现在先干活。
立即进入1级战斗状态。
比尔森科斯特，吉姆，出击！
全力清扫敌人 MS， 不能让敌人再突破战线了。收到。
坐稳了，米诺！来啊，你这铁疙瘩！吃我这发！米诺，快下来！我们被锁定了！
你的战友他伤势很严重，被送去了治疗，不过没事的。
现在战况怎么样了？怎么样了？
你看那边。